Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Zach Hussein and I am here outside on a wonderful day, and I have my tour guide who also happens to be my uncle, and I call him as Uncle Riaz. How you doing?
Very fine, very good, and too much expected about you that you are in Pakistan after a very long time.
Okay.
And I am very happy now, very happy.
So tell me a little bit about Islamabad and Peshawar.
Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan, and it is the only city in the world which has been constructed on a map, proper map.
Okay.
The other cities of Pakistan are not. They are like in fragments, some here and some there. They are scattered.
Okay. Interesting. So, tell me this: how long have you been living in the capital city of Islamabad?
For the past 1 year.
Okay. Do you like it here?
No, I like my Peshawar.
You like Peshawar better?
Peshawar, because I have lived in Peshawar for 35 years.
That's understandable because, you know, an area where you grow up and you spend most of your time in, that's an area where, you know, you have emotions and feelings attached.
I know every street and corner, nook and corner of Peshawar, and I don't know where the road leads me to in Islamabad. I don't know.
What are some of the major differences, the pros, the cons, meaning like the good stuff and bad stuff?
Good stuff is that Islamabad people are much educated.
Okay.
And they know they understand you very well.
Okay.
And in Peshawar, like we have much more parda system.
You meaning
women's used to go out of the houses in burqas,
okay,
in hijab,
okay,
like in the we use this mask like thing,
okay,
in hijabs and burqas, and here women are walking freely.
In Islamabad, for real?
No, like US, like in European country.
No way.
If you are in Islamabad, you go somewhere out for some excursion, for some trip, or some Sunday brunch, you will see the women, they are moving without dupattas even.
Wow. So is it mandatory to wear a scarf, a dupatta, and all that stuff in Pakistani norm and customs?
Because we are Muslims, we should be obeying our religious ethics, religious codes.
Okay, yeah, that is totally understandable, and you know, from my research, I've heard Pakistan is a very conservative society.
We are not Europeans that we should not observe our religious codes and ethics.
The silage sishitawi.
Sileage دا مونږ جوار وایلو بار پټو کې خمال ګورو وایلو هغه بیا کټایو کو دلته راوړو چوپری دا خپل ماشين نه پای کټایو کو مکی دانو سره میکس او بیا پیکینګ وشي پای باندې مونږ سپری وکړو انوکلینټ او هغه بیا پیکینګ وشي بیا واتر وځي هغه داسې وی هغه نه بعد چې تیار شي بیا هغه خلک فارمونو ته وړي واغانو باندې خوري هغه بیا خنتیجه راځي د پیو د سسه.
او د سایلیج را مټیریل مطلب دا کم ځای نه راځي او څنګه راځي؟
دا زمونږ د علاقې نه راځي، پوشا علاقو کې زمینداری کوي، پاینیر والا کمپنی ده، په وږي ګورو او هغه بیا هلته کټی وشي، بیا دلته راشي، مونږ یې بیا والو ترې.
او د سایلیج ایکسپایري څنګه چل وي؟
د ایکسپایري د دې کم از کم 6 میاشتې دی ورکوي، خو 2 کالو پورې یې سم نه کېږي، چې تر څو پورې د دې بیل کې کټ نه وي راغلی، چې کټ شوی نه وي چېرته، دا یې سم نه کېږي تر 2 سال پورې.
او د سایلیج سټوریج تاسو څنګه کوئ؟
سټوریج دا مونږه چې والو پیک شي، کټیو شي په چوپر باندې، هغه بیا پیک شي، نو بیا مونږ سره ګراوند دی، هغې کې سنبال کړو